Good morning, everyone. It is Teresa with Critters Crochet, and I am really hoping that you guys can hear me okay. I'm talking a little bit louder because I've been made aware again that my volume on my last video wasn't great. So I have a microphone, but I haven't synced it to my laptop, so I'm going to be working on that this afternoon. And I'm going to be using my microphone from here on out because sometimes the volume on my laptop's working and sometimes it's not. So I really hope it's working today. But today is Tuesday, so that means Technique Tuesday from A to Z. And today's stitch is the linen stitch. Here we go. Who guessed the linen stitch? I think this stitch is just beautiful, and you can do so many things with this. You can use cotton yarn and make dishcloths. You can make a blanket. You could make, scarves, blankets, hats, you name it. You can do this. And this is a simple 1-row repeat. And so let's head over to the table and I will show you how to do this stitch. All right, guys, to begin the linen stitch, all you need is a starting chain that is a multiple of 2. That's it. So you're just going to do a multiple of 2 until you reach the length of the project that you're working on. And just for this demo today, I'm going to do about 12 stitches. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this will give you a good idea of how to do this stitch. So just for this sample, I have a chain of 12. And we're going to start off in the second chain from the hook. And we're going to make, here's the first chain, here's the second chain. And we're going to do a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then we're going to chain 1, skip a chain, single crochet in the next. And that's, you're going to repeat that for the length of your chain. So single, chain 1, skip a stitch, single in the next. Chain 1, skip a stitch, single in the next. All right, I'm going to do that all the way to the end, and you should end on a single crochet, and I'll be right back at the end of this chain. All right, this is the first row for our project. So we have our single, chain 1, single, chain 1, single, chain 1, all the way down, and we've ended with a single. So for our next row, this is our repeat row. This second row is going to be what we repeat. So we're going to turn our work. We're going to chain 1, and this first stitch is a single crochet. So we're going to skip this single, and we're going to do a single crochet in that first chain 1 space. So we're going to single, and then it's just like we did before. Chain 1, skip the single, single in the space. Chain 1, skip this single crochet, go into the chain 1 space and make a single. Chain 1, skip a single, single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the single, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, and then we are skipping this single, and then we have our chain 1 from the beginning of the last row, from the end of the last row. So we're just going to put 1 single crochet in the top of that turning chain, and you end it with that single. And then it's just repeating that over and over until you get the your project the size that you want. Chain 1, and all we're going to do is we're going to skip the singles, and we're going to single in the space, chain 1 spaces, and chain 1. All we're putting a single crochet in is the chain 1 spaces, and then we're going to chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space, and single, chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space, and single, chain 1, and do your last single in that turning chain. Chain 1 and turn. And that's it, guys. You're just going to repeat that across over and over until you get your project to the size that you want. And that is the simple linen stitch. I would love for you to share photos with me of anything that you make or have made with the linen stitch, and I'll be glad to share it on my channel. So I will see you in the next video, guys. Stay tuned tomorrow for Battle of the Stitches, and I'll give you some updates and what's going on for the next week. Talk to you then. Have an awesome Tuesday. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video today. I really appreciate it very much. And let's get Critters Crochet to 2,000 subscribers. Hashtag Critters Crochet, road to 2K. So if you like this tutorial, there are lots more. So please like, comment, and subscribe to Critters Crochet. And make sure that you tap that notification bell so that you don't miss any videos when they come up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.